Welcome back to FSP, Forex-Stock-Predictions. Hope you are all having a great day. I'm the Vortex Trader, and today we are on AUD USD in the 4-hour time frame. We are still falling, but we have some potential bullish setup slowly starting to form, a little bit of confluence to tell us maybe it is time that we can start looking for possible reversal points in price, and we can start thinking about ways that we can start setting up to go long. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Right, guys, so we can see currently on the 4-hour time frame, we are within this falling wedge pattern. We can see price bouncing nicely off of this descending support line and nicely off of this descending resistance line. As you can see, the two lines get closer and closer together as time goes on, which forms a falling wedge, right? Now, what happens with falling wedges generally is that we look for a breakout of the falling wedge to confirm some bullish price action, which could be a reversal for us to start looking for long setups. So that is one bit of confluence that we have that could suggest to us that we could start, if we see a breakout, looking for a reason to go long. However, we have further bits of confluence right now. Now, I'm not saying that this is what we are looking for and this is stagnant, and because we have these particular patterns, it is an absolute confirmation that we are going to be looking for long setups. No, I'm saying right now as it stands, with how the price structure looks right now, if we see a breakout, then we could potentially start looking for a long setup, right? The second bit of confluence is we have a potential double bottom. You can see here is our first bottom, here is the second bottom, right? And we would look for price to break up and out of this double bottom, retracing back into this yellow zone, right? Which could be our neckline. Now, what is interesting about this yellow zone, if I pull the chart back just a bit, you can see that this line has been treated as support quite a few times, right? Support, 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 and then we broke up out of it again, coming through it eventually, retesting it as resistance. So what do we want to do? We want to reclaim this yellow neckline again as support. We want to see price break up and above out of this yellow neckline. We want to close above it, and then we want to wait for a retrace. If we can see that, that will help confirm to us that we are now bullish. However, we don't have that just yet, right? We are still bearish. Price is still falling. However, with regards to the double bottom and the falling wedge, we can see that even though we are making lower lows, the MACD's histogram is sloping upwards, showing us that the bears are weakening, which means that in some points in the hopefully near to mid future, with regards to this time frame, we will see the bulls come back and take control of the market. So we have a whole bunch of confluent factors that help prove to us that we are not crazy for thinking that we could start looking for some possible long setups, right? We're taking all this price action into consideration, right? The thing is, we need bullish volume to come in, right? We need the bullish volume to come in. We need to see a breakout of this falling wedge. We need to see price reclaim this yellow line as support. We need to flip it back into support in order for us to start looking for reasons to go long. All right, so that is all very well and good. However, on the daily time frame, we are still bearish. Price is still heading south. And this daily support level at 0.668 is still the price still has ways to go until it hits that point. And we can see that there is a giant gap, right? There is no previous price structure that is close to us right now. So we could easily carry on heading south before hitting this daily support level. And maybe once we hit that level, can we start looking for reasons to go long. However, trying to catch these reversals without being sure and having any bullish confirmation is not the wisest thing to do, right? Because price could just, you want to be on the right side of the market. You want to be on the side of the institutions and market makers. You don't want to be trading against the trend, which is why I say we need the bullish confirmation with volume to come up, right? We need to see price close above this falling wedge. We want to reclaim the yellow line as support, and once we see that, we can start looking for reasons to go long, with targets being previous price structure, right? Previous support zones, but we're not there yet. We are not there yet. We are simply watching what price does right now. Yes, it is possible that price could come out, hit this yellow support line, be rejected from it, and carry on south. Of course it could do that. Of course it could do that. It could also bounce up and hit the top of this falling wedge, and then from the top of the falling wedge, it could carry on south from there. Of course, it could do that too. This is why I say volume is incredibly important. And even if we see a breakout, we want the volume there as well, right? We want to see a green volume bar overtake these previous bearish volume bars, which you guys can see happen at the exact same time when the markets open, right? You can see below 3 p.m., 3 p.m., 3 p.m., 3 p.m. So perhaps today we will see some bullish action which overtakes these 4 previous volume bars. If not, we are still bearish. However, I see no bearish setups just yet. There are no order block entries that I am looking for. If this previous support level that we are on right now breaks and heads south, there could be some potential order block setups that could take us and give us some nice short entries. However, we are not there just yet. We are just watching and waiting to see what price does with regards to this falling wedge and double bottom pattern. So on that note, guys, let's see what happens. It is a Monday morning. The markets do need time to heat up, right? I normally start entering trades on Tuesday. This is the 4-hour time frame, so it can take a while for things to heat up. However, once it does heat up, we could easily have some nice entries, long or short, right? So on that note, let's wrap up today's video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you find value in these videos, please would you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when we release new content like this. Leave us a comment in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are on AUD USD right now. Are you looking to go long? Are you trying to catch a reversal? Are you in the middle of a short position? Have you been holding, right, since for the past previous weeks? If you've been shorting for the past previous months, you are probably in major profit. So congratulations to you. Let me know, guys. And on that note, let's wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you all in the next video. See you later.